Nickel and dime and passing the time in a donut shop. Why don't your ass be a real cop and go stand at the borders? Check your sons and daughters. Cause I can see you coming.
Here we go, I'm playing fake cop today. Awesome, thank you.
Okay. Alright, so let's go. When we get around this corner here, just go slow and I'll make sure that the traffic is clear coming down the front straight. Alright, we're clear.
Clear? So go.
Yeah, so go. Stay on the left. Stay on the left up here. Don't turn until you get to the second cone. Okay, now turn. Try to keep your hands at 9 and 3.
Okay, yeah.
So from here you accelerate out to the outside edge, out to the left.
Yep.
And go down the left-hand edge. Okay, brake. Okay, now turn. Try to get down to the curb.
Okay, yeah.
Let it come out, and then you come back in. Stay on the right-hand edge. All the way up here. Stay on the edge.
Brake.
Okay, ready? Don't turn. Okay, now turn. Aim for that cone on the left. Now unwind the steering wheel, bring it out to the right. Good. Look for the second cone on the left and start to accelerate. Good. Come up the right-hand edge. That's it. Go. Down to that cone. Out to the right. Let it come out. Okay, we're gonna let this Porsche by.
Let the bush ride?
Yeah. Time to get him. Alright, so go down the right-hand edge here, brake, aim for the cone on the left, touch the curb on the right, and then back out to the left. You want to line up on the left-hand edge of the track. Out there on the left, that's it, yep. Okay, brake. Okay, now turn. Aim for the cone, get back on the gas, out to the outside edge. There we go. Stay on the left. Okay, tap the brakes, down to the curb, drive over that black asphalt patch. Okay, don't turn till we're off of it. Okay, now turn. Drive over to stay on the right. Okay, now turn and get on the gas. Next time, try to hang out to the right a little later, and then we turn. Okay, you want to make your way over to the left. Make your way to the left. Okay, ready? Okay, aim for the cone. Touch that curb to the left. Okay, try to go down the middle. We're going to thread our way through this chicane. You want to end up right on the left-hand edge. Okay, over to the right. Drive straight through these cones. Okay, I don't know if we're going to pass these guys or not. Looking for a pass on the yellow radical. Pass on the radical. Looking for a pass on the yellow radical. Okay, pass him on the left. Go. Okay, brake. You're offline. Okay, that's it. Go. Okay, out to the right. Over to the left. And let it come back out all the way to the right. And accelerate up the right-hand edge. Okay, try to touch the curb on the left. Let it unwind. Let it come back out to here. You want to make this one big arc. Okay, look for the cone that's around the corner. Okay, back out to the outside edge. Look for the cone on the left. Okay, then down the right-hand edge, down the hill here. That's it. Down the hill on the right. Aim for the cone. That's it. Aim for the second cone. And you want to work your way over to the left. Okay, ready? Okay, now turn. Down to the cone. Unwind the steering wheel. Go. Okay. Down to the right. Over the patch. Over the right. Okay, so you want to be way on the other side of the track.
On the other side there?
Yeah,
okay, all right.
Exit to the left. And go. Get over to the left. Okay. Police car looking for a pass on the Mercedes. Just wait. Pass him on the left. Go, 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 go. Okay, you want to end up on the left-hand edge, and then you want to make these corners straight. That's it. Go, 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 go. Okay, you want to line up on the left-hand edge by the wall. Over here, over here. Okay, don't turn, don't turn. Okay, now turn. Down to the cone. Okay, now back on the gas. Nice and smooth. Out to the outside edge. That's it. Good. Okay, brake, 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 brake. Down to the... That's it. Okay, let it come out. Let it come out. Okay, now back to the right. Back to the right. Stay on the right-hand edge. That's it. Good. Good. Ready? Don't turn, don't turn. Okay, now turn. That's it. Unwind steering wheel. Get back out to the right-hand edge. Good, 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 good. And then accelerate down the straight here. Go, 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 go. Try to touch the curb on the left. Then let it come all the way out to the right. And you're looking for the cone around the corner. And back out to the right. Good. Good. Look for the cone on the left. Police car looking for a pass on the white Porsche. Okay, pass him. Police car going to pass the Trofero. Okay, just be careful. Okay, he's letting us behind the inside. Go, 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 go. Go on the inside. Okay. Over the left. Down to the curb. Then over the patch. Okay. Okay, stay on the right. Stay out here. Stay out here. Follow the white. Yes, stay out here. Okay, now turn and go. Go. That's it. That's we're going slow, but that's the line.
Okay. Pass, pass.
Okay, pass him on the left. Passing the red McLaren. Get over on the left. These guys are going pretty good, so it's good. They're good to follow. Okay. Touch the curb. You want to go down the middle. Gotta pass that too. All right. So you want to end up on the left-hand edge, and then you want to straighten out these two corners. You want to straighten them out. Okay. Down to the cone. Okay, ready? Okay. Down, unwind, let it come out. Let it come out, let it come out. Then back in. Unwind all the way out to the outside edge. Okay, look for the second cone and go. Go, 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 go. Brake, down to the curb, and then let it come back out. Over the left to the cone, then down the right-hand edge. That's it. Line up on the left-hand edge. All right. All right, over the patch. Follow these guys all the way to the right, and then turn and go. So this is our in lap, so we're going to go straight at the end of this, straight away back into the pits. That's pretty good, yeah. We're going to go up here and
This thing
follow the
handles
van.
nice, holy, wow.
You hustled this thing around pretty good.
We want it off to the left or?
Go behind the Mustang on the right.
Only the strong survive.